Hi everyone! Wow, you really do love your leggings, but are you wearing them with style and flair? Well, recently I took a poll and I asked, are you yes or no to leggings? I was so surprised because, wait for it, I got 1,400 plus comments on this, and it was a resounding yes. 99% of you said yes, and that prompted me to do this video. Now, the 5 outfits that I'm going to show you are not your everyday, oversized tops over leggings looks. We can get a lot more stylish than that. So let's start with a trending vest over leggings. Here's a look that's perfect for casual days. I just have a lightweight V-neck top and it's available for about $23. And the long denim vest that covers my bottom for about $48. I'm wearing my most comfy leggings by Belief, available for $36, and the last time I checked they were on sale. The faux suede ankle boots for $60 finish the look, and I can think of many occasions that I could wear this trendy outfit to. Now, I'm really focusing on this video on the upper part of what we're going to be wearing, and that's why I'm just going to show them to you in my black leggings, but I do have different colors. Now, I do think that, those wild designs that used to be in a lot of leggings, we don't see them as much anymore. I think that's a dated look, and it's better for you to go with all one color. Also, all of my outfits have me covering up the front of me, if you know what I mean, and also the butt. I know there's a lot of younger women that are out there and they just kind of ignore this rule, but I think we want to look classy and chic. So what I do is I'll put a longer top underneath, and the next outfit that I want to show you is working it with a blazer. Now, I have embraced the pretty and pink trending color, and this blazer by The Drop is available for $75, but again, last time I checked, it was also on sale. I had a longer black top in my closet, so I just put that underneath, and that way my Belief leggings, the upper part is really covered. I put on a black stretchy skinny belt for a bit of style, and my black pumps dress up the outfit for a more upscale look. And as usual, I'll have most of the outfits that I'm modeling underneath the video description and also in the comments. And if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're going to find my favorites, not only in fashions, but also in skincare and makeup and even housewares. And you always pay the same as Amazon usually charges. All right, for my next outfit, it's a casual look with a pair of higher flat-soled boots, which I just think it just oozes with style. Let's take a look. This is such a casual chic look, and these faux leather boots are really comfy with a flat heel. I'm wearing the same white V-neck top and added a casual brown stretchy belt. The quilted navy vest at $37 really tops off the look, and my leather handbag at $95 can easily hold an umbrella, sunglasses, or a few purchases I could make at a neighborhood festival. And if you like videos like these, made by a woman who's certainly not in her 20s, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the bell. Oh, and by the way, have you subscribed to my newsletter? It only comes out about once a month, and I would love for you to get it. It's all you have to do is go to awesomeover50.com/newsletter and enjoy. All right, let's get on to the next outfit, and this one really does have a youthful flair, and I absolutely love it. I recently bought this crochet style zippered sweater that's available for about $42. I absolutely love it. And you can wear it long, but I like to roll it shorter. I just wear a cami underneath, and now who says you can't wear a jean skirt anymore? And this stretchy one is the right length for about $50. Over my leggings, it looks fantastic. And I just put on a pair of boots and sunglasses to finish the look. So as you can see, I'm showing you ways to really progress with your leggings style. Now it's really easy to be in a rut and just always throw on a long kind of top or maybe even a shorter dress, but I just want to show you something that's a little bit different, a little bit trendy, and the next outfit that I have is a great outfit to wear when you're going for your walks or any kind of a jaunt. I try to walk every day to get in my steps, and I never know who I'm going to run into, so I always like to have a bit of style. You can copy this look easily with your leggings. I have a waffle material white top that's available for about $26, along with my packable puffer coat. It's so lightweight and it also keeps the wind chill at bay. It's available in 5 colors for $70, but yep, you guessed it, last time I checked it was on sale. I'm wearing my Skechers sneakers that have elastic, easy-on laces and a breathable material that's great for walking. I also won't forget my water bottle bag for $24, which is a must-have in any kind of weather. And a big thank you for all of you that contributed to the leggings poll. I really, really appreciate it. And as I mentioned to you, I've got leggings in lots of different colors, but be really careful when you're buying white because you don't want them to be see-through. I often talk about being in a styling rut, but sometimes all we have to do is add a vest, maybe some high flat boots, or just some other accessories to really give us a little bit of style. Have you noticed that these days our age group is actually trending? We're seeing our age group on covers of magazines, commercials, all kinds of different things. So let's go out there and rock this world, but let's rock the world with a little bit of style, a lot of grace, and to me, that's just one more way to keep it awesome.